welcome to a new video. This is an unpacking video of the About Me collection. About Me is a very old collection. It's still from my time when I was at the scrap shop, and I really love this collection because of the colors. They are so soft, and I love it. And I don't think that kind of that collection shouldn't be hidden on my hard drive somewhere. And that's why I make this little video for you, that you see the potential of this collection. It's not a big one. And so let's go and have a look. This is the page at the Lily Pad, how you can see the whole collection. And I like to show you how you can find the different packs of this collection. And when you scroll down from now on, you can find here the About Me choose option, and here you can choose the different option of this collection. So you can pick the bundle or the extra packs in different ways to choose. If you change the selection here, you can see that the price will also change. The video will just record it, so this is why you don't see anything. And yes, this is the page at my Lily Pad store, and now we go to the photo. Let's go and see what my creative team did with them. This is what you is so awesome and so versatile, and I think I really love this collection. You can see that I did 3 different layouts by myself for this collection, and it's always a sign that I really enjoyed to have this and created this collection. Okay, here we go. The artsy bits and pieces. Here we go. We have, like always, around 30 different element packs. You can see here the artsy bits, a little birdie. We have a bow with a realistic shadow, buttons, and here this one is embroidery. It looks really like an old vintage embroidery, and love that one, especially in combination with one of those artsy papers. They will come up. And this is some hearts, so it's especially created for girls. You can use it, and also with theme of love, and yes. Okay, this is the artsy bits and pieces number 1, and then we have the artsy bits and pieces number 2. We have here more some doodled things, a little bit of sprinkles, and frames. Here you get a lot of frames, and kind of loopy-la-loosas, flowers. This is the artsy bits and pieces number 2 pack. Then we have papers, artsy papers. This collection does have a lot of paper packs, and this is what I love them. They are so awesome, and just look into them. They are a lot of white, but then with the soft colors and the grungy effects of ornaments and typo, and yes, I think you will love this. And this can be used with clipping masks, and how they are. You can use them as a background color, or only clip them into a mask, and they will always work perfectly. Then we have the paper design. They are also very soft. We have here some artsy papers, and watercolor, and polka rickrags. Yes, and then we have the pattern. These are the pattern papers, and I just see there is the wrong preview in it, so I need to change that. This is just delete that out of it. Okay, these are the papers, solid not pattern paper, and they are seamless, and you can also use them with clipping masks, or how they are. This is about you, how you like to use them. Okay, and then the next folder we have the solid papers. These are the solid papers, also those soft colors in combination with the dark gray. I think this is a very, very nice combination, especially if you use the gray. You can the artsy bits, for example, pop out really nicely. Just go into that. Just have a look how this will look like, and it's beautiful contrast. And I have here a lot going on. Okay, then we have that one. So you can see everything works perfectly together in this collection. And then we have another pack where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different packs of papers. I don't know, I think it was again something like I can't stop doing and having a lot of ideas for that one. I love those kind of papers. They are like two colors. You have those soft pink and shades of blue here, and also that one, it's really kind of shabby, those chalk look what you have on furnitures, for example. When you paint an old cabinet or something like that, you get this look with a chalk paint, and this is what I like to create with those papers. So these are the papers wood effect. And then we have photo cards. That's something I not do very often, but you can use them how they are, or you can drag and drop them onto your usual 12 by 12 paper and use them as clipping mask over here and put in here your photos, or you can combine them. And the photo mask always both come in with rounded corners and with usual straight corners. Is it called straight? I don't know. Also that one, you go to the layers and just move those layers on your, and then you can start to play with your photos and clip them on them, and you have artsy combined with a very clean look. And then we have the word arts. I think I've created here. You have here the Dymo style. Then we have kind of like washi, velo design. Then we have here some stickers like this one, or we have the only in black one. Then we have here this one, and what we do have, and then we have here some button style over here, and also those ones are in. Then so a very, very differently created word arts. And you can see here's a shadow version. And what you can do now is, if you have such a washi type transparent word art, you can drag and drop the shadow on your canvas. zoom in that you can better see that. We go to this amusing word art and drag that shadow just underneath the layer, or place it just on the corner. You really need to zoom in, and voila, you have a shadow on here. The same works here with that one. You only need to flip it horizontal over here and place it underneath. Now, okay, what you now can see is that this one is overlapping a little bit. So you choose this anchor here and make it a little bit smaller so that it will fit better. So this is how it works with those shadows and with the word arts. And you get a lot of different word arts. I think you get, can I see? It's always the same. Around 50 word arts included in this collection. So this is it. This is the unpacking video of the About Me collection, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a message or a comment on my YouTube, Facebook channel if you like the video. Those comments help so much to spread the video for other customers or for other who like to learn something. So always comment and always, if you have something to say, leave a comment and I will be happy about it. Okay, have a happy time, and we're gonna see us in the next video. Bye.